Right folks, I've had another delivery this morning. This is a rather big box. So I thought I'd do an unboxing and show you what we've got. Right folks, so this is a ruddy great big box and it contains something very sweet indeed inside. There aren't any preps in here, just in case you're wondering whether it's sort of packed full of bog rolls or something. It ain't. So this is actually a freebie and it's from my employer, and I must say that I'm not going to identify who my employer is, but very much appreciated. So basically we were given a number of points, myself and a number of work colleagues, and we could use those points to purchase a wide array of items from a catalogue in different categories. So I chose something which was very practical in nature, and I'm just going to turn the camera around and show you now. Ta-da! So I decided to go for this. As you can see, it's a trolley jack, just to sort of enable me really to do a little bit more work on the car and try and save a few quid. So me being me, I decided to go for something practical which I could utilise to expand my knowledge and experience, and to also give me more confidence in messing around with the car. The car does come with a short trolley jack anyway, but you know, they're not the easiest things to use, and I thought I could stick this in the boot basically, and I can be using this for the four-wheel drive and also the other car, for Tina's car. So yeah, you know, as I say, I feel very grateful and very privileged that I've been given such a kind gift, and I'm, you know, I really sincerely mean that. It means a lot to me. Hey, check out that puppy. So we know we've got to bleed this thing. Okay. Obviously a handle to lift the thing up, the lever, and there's the carrying handle just there. Sweet. Given the fact that that's a freebie and it's cost me absolutely diddly, I'm really grateful indeed and feel very privileged, as I say, and I keep banging on about it, but this is such a kind gesture. That's lovely, I really appreciate that. Okay guys, so preparing the jack for use. There's the instructions, I've read through them. Right guys, so that's the release valve there. This is the end of the handle, and we need to use this to open the release valve. So according to the manual, we need to open it up to release air, but it says no more than 2 strokes maximum, or 2 rotations maximum, and then we need to do 2 full strokes of this to properly distribute the oil in the jack. So I think we've done that. Schmicko. So we've done that. Next thing we need to do then, put the end of the handle back in and then tighten this up. Done. So it's now good to go. Other than fitting the yellow handle to the jack. then let the thing down again, put the end of the handle in there, turn it round, and then lock it off again. Schmicko. Excellent.